Hi, my name is Jesse Balch with Keystone Springdale Travel Trailers, and today we're going to break down the Lippert Telescope Ladder Prep. We're going to go over some great built-in features that it has and show how easy and safe it is to operate. So let's go take a look and see how it works. The Lippert Ladder was engineered for easy portability and storage. When compressed, it's only 33.5 inches tall by 19 inches wide and extends all the way to 12.5 feet. Also, it's only 25 pounds, but with the aluminum structure, it can hold up to 330 pounds. So some of the featured components are going to be the Velcro strap. This helps with convenient storage and for carrying around. Also, this strap has this grip on the bottom. This helps to not lose your grip and also, again, easier for carrying around. We also have these permanent oversized mounting brackets to assure a secure attachment to the mounted receiver. So to get started, we're going to undo the strap. And you'll see the top two rungs here, these are above the brackets. So these two are to extend past the top of the roof line for easier access of going on and off the roof. Also, you'll notice you heard the clicking, the locking in noise. That's from the steel pins locking into place. So two ways to tell it's locked in is by the sound, and also you'll see this gap here. These are not locked in when it goes to the edge, these are locked in. So now we know these two are in place, so we're gonna be secured. So now as we extend, we're gonna bring it over, and we're going to climb. Again, you hear it locking in for each one. Now, as we get it to about our desired extension, we're going to lock it into place and then check for a steady ground. So of course, safety is key for this part. As we approach the ladder, we want to make sure our shoulders are square with the tracks. And as we go up, we want to avoid any reaching or leaning. So it's straight up and keep your body straight and level to the ladder. So as we come down, again, make sure we're parallel to the ladder, but as we're coming down, notice that some of the spacing might have changed or might be different from going up and down because we're not fully extended, so the depths are gonna be a little bit different. And then of course the bottom is gonna be a lot shorter. So we gotta be mindful of our spacing when coming down the ladder. So after we unhook the ladder from the bracket, I'm gonna start about the middle here and I'm gonna start collapsing the ladder. So, now I'm gonna move further down. So, we wanna make sure our hands are cleared from that spot, because as you can see, it does come down with a lot of force, but as long as our hands are away, we're not gonna have any issues. Now, we'll just reattach the Velcro strap, and we're ready for storage.